So, this week, well, we've been searching for the past month for some low budget, good quality earphones. And after previously testing out some good quality, low budget Blitzwolf earphones in the past, well, we thought we'd go along the same route, and well, we found these Blitzwolf AIRAUX AA-HE1s. Now, we found these particular earphones on the Banggood website for £3.99. I mean, that's around $5 in US dollars. But for that low budget price, are we going to get what we paid for? Or are these AA-HE1s going to be a valued surprise? Well, let's check them out. So first things first, yes, we get a minimal packaging with just a simple sealed packet. Specifications, well, there's hardly any. It states that it does have a 3.5mm audio jack, so yes, these are wired earphones. And that's pretty much it. Nothing to the back. But let's have a look inside. So yes, with these earphones, hopefully we'll be able to save you some of your hard-earned pounds. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all staying indoors. Stay the at home. Let's have a look at what we get. And that's pretty much it. Not much in the packet. And we do, however, have a multi-language user manual, which is simple and quite detailed. Let's have a look at the earphones themselves. So the first thing I notice is that it's got an L-shaped 3.5mm audio jack. It's quite slim actually, looks really nice. But the wire is in red, and yeah, it doesn't feel too bad to be honest. I know it states that it's got anti-twist design, doesn't feel cheap for the price. And what's good is that we do have a built-in multifunction control unit, with a multifunction button and volume slider, with a built-in mic too. It is situated at the top of the wire. Look into the earphone head unit, I do actually like the look of them really. They are colour matching with this red arced design on the edge of the speaker unit. The shell is matte black ABS plastic, and that colour coordination is also followed through on the inner part of the earphone too. But that's pretty much it really. We've got some wired earphones. Cable is nice and lengthy, and also now the quality and build actually looks really great. I've came across very cheap budget earphones costing around £1 to £2, and they don't actually come with this kind of quality. It's hard to believe that they actually are IPX5 waterproof too. £3.99, great looking earphones using great materials and actually feel very durable. Let's try them in. So first things first is that these earphones are not noise isolation earphones. Because there's no rubber end to them, they basically just fit right into the ears, just like so. So they fit in nice and snug. And to be honest, these earphones ain't going nowhere. They ain't gonna budge a bit. They're gonna stay locked in place, and they feel real comfortable. Very light, and you actually feel like you've got nothing in your ears. So as mentioned, these earphones are actually IPX5 waterproof, so they're gonna be good for you runners, especially when it's raining. So yes, it's gonna be sweat proof and basically splash proof really. Let's play a tune. Let's turn it up to the maximum level. Strange. Make sure the volume's up. Oh, that's much better. Woo! Interesting. I'm loving these. Listen to this. Listen to the audio. Now that's what I'm talking about. A bit of a kick. £3.99. Blitzwolf, I've certainly done it again with these little bad boys. F***ing adverts, don't you hate them? Alright, so, these are really loud, man. I can't hear anything from the outside world once the music's playing, so that's great. But when it comes to the bass, I'd say the bass is quite average. The high tones are quite high, which I really do like. It's got a bit of a punch to it. The bass could be a bit better as mentioned, but I'd say those mid-tones are perfect. Low tones too, not too bad, yeah. In whole, I mean, as simple as can be really. £3.99 for great quality, good sounding audio.
Sailing to out of space to find another race.
Yeah man, these are brilliant earphones. I think some of my previous wired Blitzwolf earphones are much better, but then I did pay between £9 to £12 for them. The functions on the control unit are pretty good too. I mean, for example, HD calling is perfect. Oh, yeah man, how you doing? I'm just testing out the microphone, yeah? Microphone on these earphones I'm testing. Can you hear me clear? Nice. Alright, I'll get back to you in a bit, yeah? Alright, laters. Perfect. Been a bit ignorant on the call, but who cares? So yeah, that's as simple as can be, really. I mean, wow. They've got some good sounding earphones. Yes, they're certainly not the best, but then they have tested worse sounding earphones that are a lot more expensive than these ones. These are indeed value wired earphones, and see many uses for these earphones. If you're going to be jogging, coming out of isolation, you want to do a nice little run. Well, at least for an hour, that is. Yes, with you guys being at home, and if you've got kids, yes, we definitely block those annoying little voices out.
Go away!
But yes, with your kids being off and homeschooling, this might be good for them too. Block out the noise, block out the distractions, yeah, and get your head down in those school books. They do look really nice, bold and bright. If I was to rate these earphones today out of my usual rating out of 10, I think I'm going to give these Blitzwolf AIRAUX AA-HE1s a rating of 8 out of 10. Now I gave an 8 because yes, as mentioned, the bass could have been a bit better, a bit more of a punch. But then the rest of the audio levels were quite perfect. I think Blitzwolf did a great job at providing some very cheap alternative earphones. Now if you want to get yourself some cheap, good sounding earphones, maybe for work, why not go down to the video description down below, where I've left my own buy now link. So go and check that out. If you like what you see, well, go get yours. We'll leave a Blitzwolf earphone playlist at the end of this video. There is some good alternatives if you don't quite like the style of these particular earphones. Guys, yes, check those links out in the video description down below. And while you're there, mighty fine if you support this channel today by smashing that like button. Please go ahead and subscribe, making sure yes you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now I love doing this video today. I like finding cheap valued products that actually come out on top. And if you want to see more, stay tuned to this channel and we'll see you guys on the very next video. Stay safe, take care and peace!